Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to solve this problem, right? In the question it says if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, first I have to show that A plus B is symmetric. Secondly, I have to prove that AB plus BA is symmetric, and lastly I have to show that AB minus BA is skew symmetric, right? First we will look at what is the meaning of a symmetric matrix, right? So if a matrix is symmetric, let's say A is symmetric, then I can write this A transform of A is equal to A. If this requirement is true, then I can say that A matrix is symmetric. So similarly, if A is skew symmetric, if this matrix is symmetric, I can say transform of A is equal to minus A. That's the difference. Here the transform of A is again A. Here the transform of this matrix is equals to minus A. So in the question it says A and B both are symmetric, right? So I can simply say that transform of A matrix is equals to A and transform of B matrix is equals to B, right? These two are data. So firstly I have to prove that A plus B is symmetric, right? So let's consider that matrix A plus B, right? So if this matrix is symmetric, I can prove that transform of this matrix should be equals to A plus B, right? If this requirement is true, then I can say that this A plus B matrix is also symmetric, right? So let's consider the transform of A plus B. So transform of this matrix I can simply write transform of A plus transform of B, right? So I know the transform of A is A according to this data, and transform of B is again B, right? So I have proved that transform of A plus B is equals to again A plus B, right? So according to the definition of symmetric, I can say that A plus B is symmetric, right? So let's go to the next one. It says AB plus BA is symmetric, right? Same argument, AB plus BA. So I'm going to take the transform of this matrix AB plus BA transform, right? So I can write this transform of AB matrix plus transform of BA matrix. Okay, here there is a theory part. Let's say transform of AB, this is equals to transform of B transform of A. Here firstly there is A, but here firstly there is B, right? Actually this is a theory part, so I'm going to use that theory here. So transform of AB according to this theory part, I can write this as transform of B, transform of A, plus similar argument here, transform of A, transform of B, right? Okay. Now I know, according to the this data, I can write that transform of A is again A and transform of B is again B, right? This is B, A, B, right? So I can write this as AB plus BA. So transform of AB plus BA is equals to AB plus BA. So I can say that AB plus BA is symmetric, right? This is symmetric according to same argument. Lastly, I am going to discuss that AB minus BA is skew-symmetric, right? This is skew-symmetric. So when I have to prove that, I can use this theory part, right? So this is C part. I have to prove that AB minus BA. AB minus BA, right? So here let's say AB minus BA, transform of this matrix. Okay, I'm going to take transform of AB minus transform of BA, right? So according to this theory part, these two are switching, right? So firstly there I say, now firstly this is going to be B, right? BT AT minus transform of AT transform of BT, right? Transform of B, right? So here I know transform of B is B and transform of A is A. So here I can write again B A minus A B. So I am going to take negative out of this line. So B, here I have minus BA plus AB, right? So I can write this as minus AB minus BA, right? This is transform of AB minus BA. So here if the A is skew symmetric, it is transform of A is equals to minus A, right? Here it is also in that format, right? So simply I can say that AB minus BA is skew symmetric, right? This is skew symmetric. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video, right? So see you, bye.